Yo, Rebel Tech, back at it again. Okay, the hype train won't stop, so let's just dive right in. The Nothing Phone 2 released in 2023, July 17 to be exact, and everyone's got an opinion. It starts at $599 US. So is it worth your cash? Well, you have seen the polished studio unboxings, right? But we're gonna do something different today. You gotta appreciate the irony of this place. Super slick, minimalist phone sitting amongst this lush, wild mess of nature. But who said tech was all about fitting in? Speaking of not fitting in, that Nothing CEO, what's his name? No idea. Carl, a guy who loves getting in front of the camera, unboxing competitive phones. Kinda funny, but dude, you run a company. This phone better prove that time could have been spent listening to, actual customers. That's more revolutionary than being in front of the camera, unboxing your competition. Alright folks, the moment of truth. Let's be real. Who cares what the packaging says? We all know half of that is marketing hype anyway. Let's crack this open and see if this thing actually lives up to the buzz. We have the Samsung here. Move aside. That's how we do it. Alright. Now, I ain't one to play by the rules, so guess what? Meet my very special guest here.
Your hype, my skepticism. We gonna rock this.
Okay, what do you have here? USB-C cable, as usual. Pin to remove your SIM card. Okay, this is what I more or less expected. There's no charger. It doesn't come with a charger, which is bullshit, but you can still use other bricks. It's compatible with other bricks as well. So, no worries on that. Break this open. Ooh, look at that. I'll put this inside here. Look at that beauty. So there's no silicone casing, there's no power brick, it's just the phone,
Cable.
USB cable and pin. That's about it, but it's fine. We're gonna power on the phone. Hopefully there's juice. See nothing. Hello. Right. So we're gonna set this up and then continue. Set. Skip. Okay, nothing more, nothing less. Don't really care. Meet the Glyph interface. Call recognition, essential notifications, Glyph timer. Choose your visual style. And just gonna finish the setup. It's pretty straightforward. We're not gonna be like deep diving in on what's not. Okay, so this phone is running on Nothing OS 2.0, Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, currently on Android version 13, since it's new because we haven't upgraded to Android 14. So it's dual SIM. Does it have NFC? Yes, there's NFC interface. Glyph lights. Quite cool, bro. We will try something else. That's crossing. This is ripple. This is the ripple Glyph. This is the pulse. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Wings. Okay, let's check out the camera. It's 1080p, 4K, 60 FPS. This is the 12GB RAM model, 512GB storage. More than enough to store whatever you need. And of course, we're gonna be checking out also this service center where we're based. Right, I'm not gonna mention our location, doesn't really matter. So the screen is 6.7-inch OLED screen. Battery is 4700 milliamp. Rear camera is 50 megapixel. The front is 32 megapixel. I'm gonna take a photo of the front. Looks good. Alright, so I'm gonna be testing some games. I'm gonna be installing some games here, and probably we're gonna do Grand Theft Auto. Okay. Nothing OS is good. The build, there's no bloatware and all that crap. Very simple, very straightforward. You can install your apps later on after that, but we're not going to do that now. Just want to see what the hype is all about. This is in white. To me, it's pretty slick. The downside, there's no charger, cover or hard case. But again, this retails at 599 USD. Bottom line, eye catcher? Yes. Change the game? Good. So would I recommend getting the Nothing Phone 2? Definitely yes. But be prepared not getting any charger brick. So again, this is sleek and sophisticated. The Nothing Phone 2 features front and back coming Gorilla Glass, so try not to drop this. I'm not sure if you're gonna drop this, it's definitely gonna break, but overall this is good. Feels like I'm holding an iPhone. Rebel Tech's out. Stay tuned to the channel for more videos on tech, AI. Do check out my daily shots as well, and thank you to my guest here, my buddy here, for joining me in this review. It's quite a hot day. As usual, we always do stuff outdoors. Thank you so much. Bye.